Did the drawing for my giveaway log cabin bird feeder. Hope the lucky winner likes it. Anyway, Kirk North of 51. That was Kelvin's Corners idea of doing that. He said put it across the door, but I couldn't. Then he said, why not put a flag there? Kelvin, buddy, looks good. Newfoundland flag. I did the drawing. I didn't do it on camera because the winner of this giveaway is on the back of here, and I had to draw it, and then I had to burn the name into the back of it. Hope the lucky winner likes it. I think that person will. Anyway, Carolina Chris, outdoors. Chris, when you get this, I'd like to see what you done with it, how you painted it. Project for you and Owen. Anyway, buddy, congrats. And you got any problems with the Newfoundland flag and Kirk North of 51 logo? Go after you, buddy. The fellow living on the corner there, 72. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Back again, folks. Hey Chris, when you see this, can you find a way of getting me your address? Because there's no such thing as PMing anymore, I don't think. Anyway, we'll find a way. I want to get this in the mail now as quick as possible.